What is the best way to increase sexual energy and enthusiasm? What can I do if I find myself burned out in bed, and my passion for sex has disappeared? Does that mean there is something wrong with me? Is a diminishing sex drive normal in men? And if yes, in what age does it occur, and what can I do to turn it around before it ruins my relationships? Any of these questions sound familiar? In this article we are going to take a quick and easy look at some super simple things you can do in bed to add amazing amounts of natural energy and enthusiasm for sex, even if you think your libido has completely disappeared. Curious to know more? Continue reading as we take a closer look below. First, understand this to be true, because it is. The two most common causes of a sudden decrease in sexual energy are age, and familiarity, or boredom in bed. After the age of 35 or so, this varies from man to man, but 32 to 40 is the target age. Men start to produce less testosterone, and start experiencing very common sexual side effects as a result. Lower libido is usually a common one that many men miss, or misunderstand as a side effect of too much work, or too little time. And of course, as all of us know, as we grow more comfortable in a relationship, over time, the spark often disappears, and sexual interest often diminishes as a result. It doesn't have to, but too often, it does. The best ways to improve sexual functioning without drugs or danger. A great question, and the good news is, you cannot only improve your testosterone levels naturally, you can also increase your libido with some simple lifestyle changes that will lead to more health, happiness and well-being in the rest of your life as well. Let's look at a list of the best things you can do today, without taking any pills, or doing anything that could cause your body stress in other areas as a result. 1. Exercise is critical to producing positive metabolic and hormonal changes in both men and women alike, especially after the age of 40. 30 minutes of daily exercise in men has been proven to reverse depression, sexual apathy, increase testosterone and reduce cortisol levels dramatically as well. The stress hormones that cause low libido, erectile dysfunction and more. 2. Increase the levels of good fat in your diet. Avocado, fish oil found in salmon, and other good fats are thought to improve blood flow to and through the erogenous zones. Dropping sugar levels to a minimum, and increasing protein in your diet is a great way of not only feeling leaner and harder overall. Men who reduce sugar intake by 50% or more usually have a corresponding percentage point improvement in sexual activity as well. Simple fact is, your diet plays a huge role in your sex life, and the better shape you are in, the more likely it is that your sex life is going to reflect that lifestyle choice as well. Here is one last tip that many men overlook or ignore, but could have some of the most powerful benefits in the bedroom, and beyond. 3. How about some super simple, spiritual, life hacks you may not have considered? For example, meditation is a very simple, yet secret trick to improve serotonin and other feel-good neurotransmitters in the brain that are well known to increase libido, sexual functioning and fostering a feeling of connection with your wife, girlfriend, lover or partner as well. So too is fasting. Did you know that fasting for 24 hours before sex can actually heighten sexual sensation and prolong orgasm by 25% as well? It's true, and there is a long and rich history of Tantra practitioners who have used these sorts of spiritual techniques to give their lovers the sex experiences of a lifetime, no drugs required. Ready to take your manhood to the max? http://thetruthAboutMaleEnhancement.com